Hello everyone! It's a pleasure to meet all of you. Starting today, we are going to learn about Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is a video editing software developed by Adobe. It's particularly popular among those who are interested in YouTube, so I highly recommend using Premiere Pro. There are numerous editing programs out there, and some of them are pretty good. Premiere Pro stands out due to its widespread acceptance in the industry. If you have to choose and learn just one program, Premiere Pro is an excellent choice. You can download it from this website. If you can, get a Creative Cloud yearly plan. That's what I have. Also, this website has a free tutorials for Premiere Pro and other software. They are really helpful for learning. Check them out to get free lessons with videos and resources that make learning even better. In the future, I'm planning to teach you not only Adobe Premiere Pro, but also After Effects, Photoshop, Illustrator, and Audition. I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe and like buttons. But before we dive into learning about Premiere Pro today, there's something I would like to show you. So I have prepared these two sequences. We are going to go over what a sequence is. However, today, I want to point out and observe the difference. So we have these two sequences, and I'm going to play them to see what happens. Oops, just a second. I just want to make sure these look the same. Let's also play this one. Well, can you find the difference? By the way, I'm really sorry, but the numbers are supposed to be the same in this frame part. However, for some reason, they are not matching. The point of this sequence that I want to show you is that a video is essentially a moving picture. As you can see, there's no difference. I understand that videos comes with the audio, but let's forget about that. So let's delete this. The point I'm trying to make is that what I have brought here is a video. Well, as you can see, it's a simple video that I downloaded from Pixabay. It's just a video of a dog. Okay, so this is supposed to be the first one. The second clip that I brought is actually an image. What I did was bring all these images and turn them into an image sequence. This is what you see at the bottom. That's what this is for. So can you see the difference? My point here is that a video is like a bunch of pictures that are moving really fast. Imagine a flip book where you can quickly flip through the pages, and it looks like the drawings are moving. Each of these pictures is called a frame. When we put many frames together really quickly, it makes a video. And how fast these frames change is called frame per second, or FPS. It's like watching a cartoon that's made of lots of pictures that change super fast to make it look like the characters are moving. From now on, pretend that frame means the same thing as picture. That way, it's easier to know what we are talking about. The golden standard for video frame rates can vary depending on the context and the specific requirement for the project. However, there are few commonly used frame rates in the video industry that are considered standard. 24 frames per second is often used in filmmaking and is considered a standard for creating a cinematic look. It's the frame rate that has been historically used for movies. 30 frames per second is commonly used for television broadcasts in many regions, as well as for online video content. It provides smooth motion and is suitable for a wide range of content. 60 frames per second is used for content that requires more fluid and smooth motion, such as video games, sports broadcasts, and some high-definition online video platforms. 120 frames per second and above are often used in gaming and virtual reality applications, where extremely smooth and responsive motion is crucial. It is important to choose a frame rate that suits the content and the intended viewing experience. For example, if you are creating a cinematic film, 24 frames per second might be preferred. If you are recording fast-paced action like sports, 60 frames per second or higher could be more suitable. Keep in mind that different platforms and devices may support different frame rates. So it's a good idea to consider compatibility when choosing a frame rate for your video project. That is for today, and see you next time. Bye bye.